In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to a space on Cisco Webex Teams. Whether you're onboarding a new teammate or bringing a client into a conversation, this quick process makes sure the right people are in the right place. First, open the Webex app in your browser and sign in. Using the web app keeps everything simple and consistent, and signing in ensures you're working with your own spaces and permissions. If you manage multiple accounts, just make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. Next, go to Teams and choose the space where you want to add people. In Webex, a team can include several spaces, each focused on a specific topic or project. Selecting the exact space matters, because the people you add will only join that specific conversation and see the files and messages shared there. At the top of the space, click People. This opens the list of current members so you can confirm who's already in the room. It's a good moment to double-check that you're adding new people to the right place. Now click Add People. You'll see a field where you can start searching. If the person is inside your organization, begin typing their name. Webex will suggest matches. Click the correct person to select them. If you're inviting someone who isn't in Webex Teams yet, type their email address instead. Use their work email when possible, and watch for typos. Spelling matters here, so the invite goes to the right inbox. You can repeat that to select everyone you want to add. When your list looks good, click Add to finish. For colleagues already on Webex, the change is immediate, and they'll appear in the member list. For invitees who don't yet use Webex, they'll receive an invitation to join and will be added once they accept. If you don't see the option to add people, the space may be moderated or restricted, and you might need a space moderator to add members for you. And if a name search isn't finding the person you expect, try their full name or their email address. That's all there is to it. Open Webex in your browser and sign in, head to Teams and pick the right space. Click People, choose Add People, type a name or an email, and then click Add. With just a few clicks, you'll have the right collaborators in the right space, ready to move work forward.